Good afternoon, Cherry.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Cherry Binyawan, 30 years old. I'm a single. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the eldest. I am a Catholic. I'm a high school graduate. I have 2 years experience working abroad in the Middle East. My duties there are cleaning the house, washing the clothes and dishes, and cooking.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my brother to finish their studies and to help my parents and also for me.
Okay. Do you know how to take care a newborn baby?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
How about the sick elderly people?
I know, ma'am.
Okay. I will ask you some question. If your prospective employer cannot provide you Sunday off, is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any kind of drug, food, or detergent you have allergy?
I have, ma'am, in chicken.
Okay. Are you afraid of pets, dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn to take care of them.
Okay. Are you prepared to follow your employer's rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the qualities of being good domestic
The
helper?
qualities of being good domestic helper are loyal, honest, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay. Do you have a message to your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am. Sir and ma'am, if you will choose for me as your domestic helper, I will be honest, loyal, hardworking, trustworthy, and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Okay. Thank you.